in all of my articles that I've written for the past at least for the past week, right? I've been talking about this particular point of control, which is basically the volume profile taken for between 12th April to 9th August. So I've used the volume profile tool to mark out the candlesticks between 12th April and 9th August. And it shows me that the most volume for Shiba Inu was traded around this level here at 0.118. It looks 0.40118, 118, right? So in my articles, right, I talk about how this move kind of is not it's unsustainable, and mainly because of the FVG that is formed here, right? Although it does kind of look like an ascending triangle. I was expecting Shiba Inu to go down and fill the FVG here first, right? I was expecting this to happen for quite some time, and I've been advocating this, right? Like, although there could be possibility where the price moves up above this and continues rallying higher, I feel like the run up would have a much better chance of continuing the uptrend if we fill the FEG first, right? And as you can see here right now, any move above the POC have been basically void volatility, and even the one that you're seeing right now we could probably see Shiba Inu close around here, perhaps even down to 120. But I feel like this slow and steady consolidation that you see here is unsustainable, and I feel like we could probably get a move down here, crash, and then boom. Like once this happens, right? Once the FVG is filled, I would gladly long Shiba here, and probably, like as you can see here, there is not a lot of volume traded anywhere after the volume port of control. So perhaps if we get a daily candlestick close above above 127, I think I would just keep my position open until we retest 199 or basically $200, right? So my trade would probably look something like this, right? First, I would wait for the price to fill the FEG, which is somewhere around here, and then keep my stop losses around here. This looks like a pretty good setup, right? Like you have a 2.76 R with a 42% upswing and a 15% stop loss from your entry. Now, first thing is I would wait to see how the price reacts. But if we get a decisive flip, and not like this, right? Like if we get a good projection, boom, 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 and then we get a flip, something like this. Like if the price action does show a lot of strength, then I would not book all my profits. It'll probably, like if the position that I open here comes all the way up to this point here at 118, then I'll probably wait for the price reaction. If we get a nice flip and a hold of this 116 point of control, then I would probably add more to my position and then book profits all the way up here at 200. If not, I could probably just wait for the price to react. And if we kind of close below the POC and feels like there's not a lot of strength in the market, then I would potentially close my entire position around this level here. So technically, you still have a really good mind-blowing trade that you see here, 139% upswing if the price ever comes down to the FVG. And not just that, right? Like FVG is not the only thing that's drawing the price lower, but all of these higher lows that you see here basically have uncollected liquidity. And that is one of the main reasons why I'm expecting Shiba Inu to crash violently in the next few days. I don't want to short this. It's a very risky trade, mainly because of the merge that is happening. Shorting altcoins should generally be considered as a no-no unless you're like extremely well versed with it, because you do not know when the structure of the market is going to change, when the narrative is going to change, when Bitcoin price, like say there's a chance where Ethereum price could rally all by itself, even though Bitcoin price is stagnating, right? So in that case, all the altcoins are going to rally as well. And today, kind of like in the morning, right, when I woke up and I started doing my 9 to 5, I kind of saw Dogecoin rally, Shiba Inu rally, and like generally these coins, when these coins rally, it's either at the start of the bull run or the end of the bull run, right? And only shit coins rally at extremes. So considering my thesis on Bitcoin, I was obviously short on Bitcoin. Like even in yesterday's video, right, I explained that I was going to be taking a short position on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So today's rally on Shiba Inu and Dogecoin was basically a secondary confirmation that confirmed my thesis. So yeah, that is pretty much it for Shiba, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.